our most advanced, fully hammerless solution is specially designed for light construction applications. I'm Oscar Monge, Construction Product Manager at MTG, and I'm going to show you the new COMET system. The system is available for mini excavators, loaders, and backhoe loaders from 5 to 15 tons. The system offers 4 sizes, starting at size 5, then 8, 10, and 15, with different adapter designs and different tooth profiles. Like we can see here, the U, the flare, the vector, or the double vector. One of the key features is the truly hammerless locking that allows for quick, safe, and easy assembly and disassembly. By means of a regular screwdriver, we can easily remove the pin in only 2 steps. We first hide the flap, and then we lever out the pin. Try it and convince yourself. We're here at Bauma, still waiting for your visit.